What I'm going to show you is not so important here, where there's only 27 cubes. Well, minus the ones that I've deleted. But when there are 27 cubes, there are 81 individual faces on those cubes, and there are 324 individual anchor points and paths. That's on a 3 by 3 by 3. Let me switch over the Finder and hide everything else. This is a 9 by 9 by 9 cube that I carved out. And I've done lots of different ones. Now a 9 by 9 by 9 has 729 cubes. It has 2,187 faces, and it has 8,748 anchor points and strokes. Paths, excuse me. So I think you can start to see this adds up, and Illustrator can start to bog down. The more complicated you work, the more hidden geometry, stuff you can't even see, is bogging you down. So, what's the workaround? I've got a whole series of missions that not only has a workaround, it allows you to discover hidden geometry behind what you're looking at. You know, let's say we like this. Well, what's behind it? What does the hidden part of this cube look like? This cube of cubes. The Gameful logo, I wanted something completely unique, for our gamification system. Our logo is part of that hidden geometry. Not necessarily out of this, but that's where it came from. And when I did an image search, I found nothing that matched it. So it's a completely unique, organization of just some simple geometric shapes. And you wouldn't think you'd be able to find that. Well, how many people think to look at the hidden geometry? That's another reason to think different. Okay, that's the preamble. I want to get into this, but it's a little complicated and I don't want to mess up, so I'm going to leave this video off here and we'll start a new one. But it'll be worth your while because it'll open up a whole new world for you, and I hope you start to see some other possibilities.